Hey guys, I'm back. This video might come out late, but I've been gone because I've been sick the past couple of days, as you can hear in my voice, but I'm better. And you know, as soon as I got better, I have to make me a wig. It's gonna be a little short curly wig. Anyways, you guys will see. Hey, real quick, I want to show you guys what hair I'm using to do this. This is Beauty Supply Store hair. It's this brand. I'm not even gonna try to say the brand because, okay, let me try. Zuzi 1 Pack Enough V8 910 week. What a weird name, but yeah, it's the Water Wave in color 1, and pretty much this is how it looks. I really been wanting a curly wig. I'm gonna insert a picture here. I had my hair really short and curly, and for some reason I haven't been able to get over that ever since. Like, I think it's so cute and I want to do it again. So I'm going to do something similar with this.
Guys, this is very straightforward. I just hot glued the tracks onto the cap, and the only reason I used the hot glue is because I was in a rush. I would usually sew it on, but this is also an easy way. Also, you're going to want to use something to protect your hands from the hot glue, unless you were smart, unlike me, and used a mannequin head. As you guys can see, the hot glue left white residue in the tracks of the wig, but a little bit of picking will fix that easily. Also, the wig didn't fit, so make sure you fit the wig cap on your head before you actually start making the wig, like I did with my previous wig. You guys could go check that video out if you want to see how I fixed the wig cap to fit my head.
We're gonna pick out the edges a lot. I mean the top a lot, because we want that to be more thick to cover up the tracks. it, guys. Wear this everywhere. I'm wearing it tomorrow. I'm going to vlog tomorrow. Vlog coming tomorrow. I'm wearing it everywhere. Tell me if you guys like it. It's fine if you hate it. You know, not everybody will think certain styles look good on me. If you guys like this video, give it a like. If you guys dislike this video, give it a dislike. And if you want to see more videos of me in it, subscribe. I feel very not self-conscious with this hairstyle. You would think I would, but like short hair, I feel like it makes my head look less small. So I like having my hair short. It makes me feel pretty. So see you guys in my next video.